Hey guys, this is what is copywriting. So guys, watch till the end in order for you to understand more about this term. So guys, I made this table over here so we can understand that deeper. So guys, copywriting is the art and skill of writing persuasive and engaging text. So it is called copy for marketing or advertising purposes. So guys, why is it important? So guys, good copywriting drives sales and it pretty much build brand awareness and it engage the target audience. So guys, it help businesses communicate effectively and motivate action like making purchase or signing up to the brand or into the website. And guys, copywriting includes writing for ads, websites, emails, social media, product description, and more. So, guys, the main goal will be to influence or persuade the reader to hook them into buying. And when it comes to the additional info, guys, successful copywriting combines creativity, marketing knowledge, and an understanding of human behavior to connect with audiences and achieve a specific business goal. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching, guys. See you.